Can we fix our way out of the growing e-waste problem? BBC News. NASA science and cargo head to space station, Space Daily. An 8-year-old girl and her friends dressed as Target employees and took over a store for her birthday, CNN. Blizzard's cancelled StarCraft, Ghost leaks in playable form, and Gadget. Bombardier to sell train unit to French rail giant Alstom, The Globe and Mail. Pixel 5 prototype leak is sending shivers down the Internet spine, StarCr. Binance balances and orders are allegedly not being processed right, in crypto. Japan's economy shrinks at fastest pace in 6 years, virus clouds outlook, CNBC. China vows more fiscal support as virus roils economy, Bloomberg Markets and Finance. These custom masks may not beat Face ID, but they could do some good.